The International Space Station, ISS, crew of Expedition 74 had a busy week, and one of them captured a breathtaking view of our planet that will leave you in awe. A view to inspire. On December 11, 2025, JAXA astronaut Kimiya Yui shared a stunning photo on social media, a snapshot of Earth's beauty from the unique perspective of the ISS. Yui's image perfectly encapsulates the iconic lyrics of Louis Armstrong's song, "Skies of Blue and Clouds of White." But here's where it gets controversial, or at least thought-provoking. Yui's photo reminds us of the simple yet profound beauty of our planet, a sight that might make some question the need for space exploration. Shouldn't we focus on preserving what we have here on Earth instead of venturing into the unknown? Science and exploration. While the view from the ISS is breathtaking, the crew's primary mission is scientific research and exploration. This week, they conducted experiments that could lead to groundbreaking discoveries. One such experiment, Stem Cell X, IP1, involved NASA astronaut Zena Cardman studying stem cells under a microscope in microgravity. The goal? To find ways to repair damaged organs and tissues, a potential game-changer for medicine. Another experiment, led by Roscosmos, focused on the vestibular system and its adaptation to microgravity. Astronauts Sergei Kudzverchkov and Sergei Maikov wore VR goggles to track their vision, which could lead to developing countermeasures for readjusting to gravity. Maintaining the station. In addition to their scientific work, the Expedition 74 crew also dedicated time to maintaining the space station systems. Yui, for instance, installed and soundproofed the JEM demonstration of CO2 removal system, a crucial step towards future Artemis missions to the Moon and Mars. NASA astronauts Chris Williams and Mike Fink, along with Zena Cardman and Yui, prepared the cargo ship HTV X1 for departure in January. Williams loaded refuse and unnecessary equipment, while Fink focused on transferring a science rack from the station to the HTV-X. Fink also serviced one of the space station's restrooms, replacing plumbing components in the Tranquility node. Living the dream. For NASA astronaut Chris Williams, being a flight engineer on Expedition 74 is a childhood dream come true. Williams has always been fascinated by exploration, especially space exploration, and becoming an astronaut felt like the ultimate way to satisfy his curiosity. As of December 12, there are 7 people aboard the ISS, representing NASA, JAXA, and Roscosmos. The space station has been continuously crewed for an impressive 25 years, 1 month, and 10 days. So, what do you think? Is space exploration worth the effort and resources, or should we focus solely on Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below.